Girl,
hey queens, welcome back to my channel. My name is Malika and it's so nice to see you queens again. I know I've been MIA for a little bit, but I have an explanation for that. I can explain myself. Just give me a second. So hubby just came back from deployment, so I've been kind of MIA because I've been spending a lot of time with him, but I'm back. If you've been a queen, then you know my schedule is every Tuesday and Thursday, but I've been MIA and I had an explanation for it. Hubby's back home from deployment, so you missed me a little bit. You missed me. You missed me. But anyway, today we're going to get into this look that I'm wearing today. It's a Valentine's Day look. I wanted to do something Valentine's-y and I wanted to be really simple. This look was literally so easy. And then for foundation, I use a powder. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this look. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel or follow me on any social media sites, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can become a queen like the rest of us here. Because we just be queening, okay? We just be queening over here. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can become a queen like us over here. Alright queens, so I've already done my brows and prepped my face, so I'm just moving right into my eyeshadow look. And I'm going to just put a little bit more on my eyelids to use as an eyeshadow base. And I'm just blending it in with my 775 Duo Fiber Shading Brush from Bdellium. And you want to make sure the concealer is nice and blended with no creases or lumps or too much product in a certain area. You want to make sure it's blended all the way out completely. Now I'm going to apply some translucent powder to my lid so that I can set my eyeshadow base. And I'm going to use another Bdellium brush. I love this brush set. I'm just going to pat that translucent powder onto my lid so that it won't crease and so that I could set it. And this is the Kat Von D Locket translucent powder. Moving on to eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking the Karity palette again. I absolutely love this palette. It's really cute for neutrals and naturals. So I'm going to use it again today. This is what it looks like. If you didn't watch my previous tutorial, make sure you check it out. First shade I'm going to start out with using is Glitz, and it's right here. It's this shimmery shade. And I'm going to use this as a brow bone highlight. And I'm going to take my 758 large smudging brush from Bdellium and I'm going to place it right on my brow bone. I'm just patting it right underneath the arch. Alright, so now that we have that color down, I'm now going to take the shade Mittens, and it's right here. It's like a warm transition shade. I'm going to take that and put it right underneath that first shade, Glitz. And I'm using my MAC 224 brush, and I'm going to just pop it right underneath that first color so that we can have a nice transition color to work with. I'm just going back and forth with windshield wiping motions, and you want to make sure you blend that transition color out nicely because you don't want the transition color and the lid color to be stacked. You want them to nicely blend with each other, so I want to make sure that I buff this color out really good. I think that's good enough. The next color I'm going to take is called Neil, and it's right here, and I'm taking a Bdellium Phase 2 brush. It's like a large fluffy brush, and I'm going to put it on top of my lid. With no specific placement, I just want to cover up my lid and make sure it melts into that transition color. I'm going for like a mauve rose eyeshadow look today with a little bit of glitz because you know I can't live without my glitz. So we got to do the glitz today. Okay, so after laying down that lid color, I'm going to go back with my 224 brush and just blend those colors together in the center where my crease is, back and forth, so they melt together like butter. Butter, baby. Okay, I think that's good enough. I don't want to go crazy. Now I'm going to move along to my face. Again, I've already primed it. If you have not primed your face yet, make sure you prime it because we're not going to use a liquid foundation today. I'm going to use a powder. And this is the Sephora. What? This is the Sephora Matte Perfection Powder Foundation. And it comes in a little compact like this. And I've seen some YouTubers use it, but I haven't tried it myself before. And it looks like this. I've already used it. I wanted to see how it works, but I haven't used it before now, if that makes any sense. This is my first time ever purchasing this product. So it does come with a sponge, but I don't like to use sponges for powder. I just feel like it packs the product on and you're not able to buff it and blend it. So I'm not going to be using this. Alright, so I'm going to use a brush, but it is pretty cool if you want to like open it and play with it. I don't know. But it comes with a mirror if you're on the go and you want to apply your foundation in the car as a passenger, not as a driver. Don't do that. Don't do that. Alright, so I'm going to apply with a brush. And this is the Bdellium Phase 2 brush. And it's the number 968. And I love this brush for powder. When I did a skin match in the store, this powder matched my neck, and I went back and got a second opinion and it still matched my face in the store, but I feel like it's a little bit dark. Maybe I'm just tripping, I don't know, but it matched my neck in the store, but I don't feel like it's maybe I'm tripping, I don't know. But yeah, I feel like this is my summer shade, but we're gonna go with it because I've literally bought 2 of these because I thought I picked up the wrong one when I was there the first time, but I ended up coming home and it was the same exact one. But yeah, we're gonna go with it. But it has a nice finish. It has a foundation finish. It has a lot of coverage. And this is really good if you don't like foundations. If you don't like liquid foundations, I feel like the Sephora powder is really good. Again, this is my first time like purchasing this product and I love it already. I just feel like this shade is my summer shade. This one is Neutral Mocha. We're just gonna rock and roll with it because I got 2, literally I got 2 of these in my makeup collection. It's crazy. And I don't like returning stuff, so I just kept both of them because I'm probably going to need it for the summer for sure. See, I feel like maybe it does match. You tell me if I'm tripping or not. Maybe it does match and I'm just tripping, okay? I feel like I am. But yeah, it's really cute. And I do recommend a powder foundation if you don't like liquid foundation. Find one that looks like liquid but isn't liquid, and I feel like this Sephora powder looks like liquid. But you have to make sure you either moisturize or prime your face before any type of foundation or powder foundation, because with powder foundation it'll look like there's powder literally sitting on your face if you don't have anything underneath, and you don't want that look. You don't want that look. So make sure you apply something before your powder foundation because you don't want to look powdery. Ugh, don't do it. Okay, now I'm going to apply some Nars Creamy Radiant Concealer. And this is also a new product for me, which I am loving. At first, I didn't like it that much. This is the medium dark shade Walnuts. And at first, I didn't like it because I feel like it gave me like olivey undertones in the concealer. It looked like it had olive undertones, but it kind of like grew on me, and maybe I was tripping again. But yeah, I like it now, and I'm just gonna apply it underneath my eyes with the powder foundation I just applied from Sephora. Because it doesn't feel like powder, it kind of feels like a cream to powder. You can put this concealer on top of it and not have to worry about the powder like moving, if that makes sense. Some powders you can't put liquid on top or creams on top. It just looks weird. But with this powder foundation from Sephora, it doesn't feel like that. At first I wasn't a big fan of Sephora products. Like I bought an eyeshadow palette from them once. It wasn't rocking with me. Okay, so with a wet beauty blender, I'm just gonna blend that product into my face. And if you were wondering, this is a Tarte beauty blender, and I like it a lot because once it's wet, it gets big and soft, and it's able to blend out the product really good. I've been sleeping on Nars Creamy Radiant Concealer because one of their foundations just didn't work for me, and I've been scared to buy anything from Nars because I tried one of the foundations and it oxidized so dark on me, and I was like, oh my god, this is not my skin complexion. What the world? So I did want to try the concealer, and so far I love it. Alright, so now I'm going to set my concealer with some Kat Von D Locket translucent powder. I'm going to use that same brush that I used to apply my foundation. Alright, so now that we have that on, you can skip this part, but I have to add some glitz. It's just in my soul that I add some glitz to this look, so bear with me. I'm going to be taking some shimmer powder from jcatbeauty with my NYX glitter primer, and I'm going to place it in the center of my lid just to add some glitz. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? But before we apply the shimmer powder, I'm going to put a little bit of the glitter primer. Did I say shimmer primer? Before we apply the shimmer powder, I'm going to apply some glitter primer in the center, like so. Just a little bit. I don't even want to be able to see it. You know what I'm saying? That's how little I want it to be. And then I'm just going to place that shimmer powder right in the center, like so, effortlessly. Not really making any outline, just real whatever like. And then I'm gonna dust it a little bit just so it won't be so apparent. You know, you want a subtle shimmer, like just subtle, like, you know. I slick want to add a wing liner, but I'm not gonna do it today just because, you know, switch it up. Alright, so now I'm gonna apply some bottom mascara because I'm gonna apply falsies to the top. And I'm just using my pink and green mascara. You know this historic mascara. Everybody has this. I know you got it, girl. Everybody got this mascara. I feel like my face does match my arm, so maybe I was tripping just a little bit. I'm gonna apply some contour powder to my face, and I'm gonna be using the Black Radiance contour kit. I'm using my Bdellium shading brush. Gets right there in the hollows of my cheeks, and I'm gonna go around the perimeter just a smidget, you know, with product that's already on the brush. I'm not gonna add any more product, just around the perimeter, just to warm up the face a bit. And then I'm gonna go my jawline, down the sides of my nose, and my cupid's bow. Taking my burnt pepper blush from MAC, and I'm gonna put it on my cheeks. Now to highlight, I'm gonna take my Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline. This highlighter is the bomb. Okay, if you don't have it, you need to go get it, girl. Okay. And this brush is from Anastasiabeverlyhills. It's the A23 brush. For my lips, I'm going to apply some lip gloss from Anastasiabeverlyhills. This is in the shade Toffee. I really like this shade for brown girls. It's really cute if you want like a neutral pink lip. This color is really cute. It's like perfect for brown girls if you want something pink and nude, but you don't want to be looking like you ate some frosted donuts. So I went ahead and applied some falsies off camera. These are my PrettyLashCouture lashes in the style Public Affair. And now I'm going to end this eyeshadow look with a little bit more glitz. Because I just, y'all know, you already know that I have to. You already know. I'm going to take my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. And I'm just going to put it in my tear duct. That's all. Like, that's all. That's it. Alright, so I'm going to put it right there. Just to end the look. Alright, so queens, I hope you enjoyed this Valentine's Day look. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Oh yeah, all the brushes that I used today are from Bdellium. If you liked them and you want to try them out, I will leave a link to the website down below, as well as a discount code if you want to purchase a brush that I used today. I really enjoyed you guys. I hope you all have a lovely Valentine's Day, and I hope your Valentines love this look. He better, she better work, okay? And if she don't, or if he don't, then they're just sleep. I'll see you queens later. Bye.